Sergeant Nesson.
Hi, Larry. My name's Scott, the AI bot with. I got a form from you on that you requested a free consult for your septic system. Do you remember doing that?
Yeah, I do.
Great. Thanks for confirming. Do you have 2 minutes to talk right now?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. To help us better assist you, can you confirm if you're the property owner where the septic system will be installed?
Yeah, I just don't know if you can legally put one in because I'm on city sewer.
Thanks for letting me know. That's a good question and definitely something a specialist can help you figure out. Before we set up a call, can you tell me how many bedrooms the home has or will have?
The home has 2 bedrooms and a small office that sometimes they would consider it a third, but there's only one person living here. So I would be looking for a septic system to back up for just one person.
Thanks for sharing that info. One more quick question. If we can help and the septic solution meets all your conditions of satisfaction, including price, when would you want to start?
Probably before winter.
Got it. Thanks. I can have one of our septic specialists give you a call to walk through everything and answer all your questions. Would that work for you?
That'd be great.
Perfect. What day and time would work best for the call with our specialist? Morning or afternoon is fine, whatever's easiest for you.
Morning usually works pretty good. I have to work. I do volunteer work in the evening and the afternoon, so.
Thanks for letting me know. Let me check what morning times we have available. Here are a few morning time slots we have open tomorrow. 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 10 a.m. Would any of those work well for you?
Yeah, 10 a.m. would work good.
Just to confirm, you'd like to book the call for tomorrow at 10 a.m.?
Yeah.
You're all set. Our septic specialist will call you tomorrow at 10 a.m. I have scheduled your appointment, and you will get a text and email reminder. Thanks for your time, and goodbye for now.